Hi guys, I want to share with you today my garage door opener. This is Chamberlain Smart Quiet Belt Drive garage door opener. We've been using it for more than 3 years now and there is no issues with this. It comes with a very well detailed step-by-step manual and well and clear, easy to follow instructional video so that you can install it yourself. It came with two wall mount garage door openers. This one has a giant button to open and close the garage door itself and the light attached to the garage door opener unit. This makes opening and closing garage door and light really simple and convenient. The other keyless garage door access system is attached to the outside of the house just beside the garage door. It has a single button closure system, and don't forget to program the keyless entry prior to the installation of this garage door. You can install it easily and program it within minutes. Easy to follow wireless programming allows for setup in seconds, and it does not need any electrical connection to the side of the garage opening. The temporary pin can be programmed for deliveries or guests inside the house if you are away for some reason. Make sure that the garage door opener has a working light bulb because it is programming indicator. I find this keyless entry system very convenient because I don't need to carry the keys to my house every time I go out. The outdoor keyless garage door access system is powered by batteries, so you need to replace them if they run out of it. The battery came with it and it's been working fine for me for more than 3 years. Also came with two 3-button remotes which you can attach to your car's sun visor with the help of the clip attached to it. These are long distance remotes. They works within 120 feet from the garage door openers for no waiting roll-in access. You can control up to 3 garage door openers because of this 3-button design. I have only one garage door opener, so I'll be controlling my double car garage door opener. You can see how convenient it is to open and close the garage door while you are still sitting in your car. You can easily configure it with the MyQ app. My garage door opener isn't configured yet, so once it is configured, you can open and close your garage door from anywhere, and you can also receive real-time notification when it's left open for some reason, and you can also add up to 3 people to control your door.